Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm showing you how I made this adorable mushroom-shaped vase from epoxy resin. I've added magnets to the back, turning it into a functional little fridge vase, perfect for holding fresh or dried flowers. The one you see here is filled with water and holds 3 beautiful rosebuds from my garden. These vases have become one of my best sellers. People love them because they combine a sense of nature and practicality. Let's get into it and make it together. I'm using a very low viscosity resin designed for castings up to 10 cm deep. The curing time for this resin is approximately 48 to 72 hours. I've simply colored it with pink alcohol ink and I'm pouring it straight away. The pink resin is just enough to fill the cup of the mushroom. Then I top up the rest of the mold with clear resin. After curing, I noticed quite a bit of shrinkage. This might be because the resin degassed itself, the air escaped, causing the volume to reduce. So I'm topping it up with a little more clear resin. This time I'm using a medium viscosity resin suitable for shallow pours, and it cures fully in 24 hours. 24 hours later, the mushroom is completely cured. I usually spray a bit of alcohol and hand it over to a family member to help pop it out. I'll admit the vase is a bit heavy, but with strong magnets it works perfectly as a fridge vase. The outside of the vase is beautifully glossy, but the inside is matte because the inner silicone insert is not shiny. This gives the inner walls a frosted glass look. Personally, I like the contrast, but if you prefer a completely glossy finish, you can coat the inside with a waterproof varnish or a thin layer of UV resin. I have another mushroom vase mold waiting, and in one of my future videos, I'll show you how to get a glossy finish inside. If you decide to attach magnets, make sure they are very strong. I'm using neodymium magnets. They are extremely powerful, so I keep them apart, because if they snap together, they can break. Before gluing, I scratch the surface where I place the magnets to help them grip better. Then I use my strongest glue and make sure to position the magnets precisely and evenly. Balance is the key here, especially because this vase weighs about 270 grams. If your mushroom is translucent, you might be able to use UV resin to attach the magnets, but be extra careful and make sure it's fully cured. It's been a few hours and hopefully the magnets are ready to hold. I like the vase with these rosebuds I picked fresh from my garden. Even though it weighs around 300 grams with the water, the magnets are strong enough to keep it securely on the fridge, and I've been using it daily. See you in the next video. Bye!